In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to download Twitter videos directly to your photo gallery, whether it's for sharing with friends or saving for later. Let's get started. Launch the Twitter app on your device and locate the video you wish to save to your gallery. Once you've found it, tap on the video to open it. To download the video, tap on the Share button. After tapping the Share button, select the option to copy the video link. This will save the URL of the video to your device's clipboard. Exit the Twitter app and open any web browser on your device. Whether you're on iOS or Android, this step remains the same. In the browser's search bar, type Twitter Video Downloader and hit Enter. One of the top results should be a website called SSS Twitter. Click to open it. Once on the SSS Twitter website, you'll see a field where you can paste the Twitter video link you copied earlier. After pasting the link, click on the Download button. This will initiate the process of fetching the video from Twitter. Once the video is fetched, you'll be presented with options to download it in different resolutions. For higher quality, choose HD or the highest available option. After selecting the desired resolution, the video will start downloading. Once the download is complete, it will automatically save to your device's photo gallery. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded a Twitter video to your gallery. Now you can enjoy sharing it with friends or saving it for future viewing.